Kia ora, malalele. Olivia here from Clan Innes Library. Today's story is dedicated to all the mothers out there and also in remembrance of those ones who pass on but never forgotten. I've got two great women in my life who pass on, my grandmother Tupo Matahiva Kefu and also my mom Sela Seini Tupo Pao. Our Tongan words for our story today are manupuna, pununga for imoa. Manupuna, pununga for imoa. Grandmother Tupo had a big, huge mango tree in front of her house. And on top of that mango tree, there lives, and busy on this particular day, Daddy Manupuna is collecting twigs and Mommy Manupuna are gathering leaves. They work all day long, weaving the twigs and the leaves together, and at the end of the day, they came up with a pununga. As soon as the pununga finished, Mommy Manupuna quickly hopped and sat inside and lay a beautiful fuaimoa. Now, Mommy Manupuna cannot leave the fuaimoa in the pununga. She has to keep it warm and keep it safe. So she sat there on top of the fuaimoa in the pununga. The rain comes, swish, swish, swish. The wind blew. The branches go sway from side to side. Yet Mommy Manupuna still sat there and kept the fuaimoa warm and safe. Fortunately, there were two bucks there who came and kept company with Mommy Manupuna. The first buck's name over here is Vilu, and the other buck is Leili. Not long, Mother Manupuna had a little crack. She looked down to the fuaimoa and then she had a big, huge cracking coming out of the fuaimoa. And guess what come out of the cracking fuaimoa? It's a baby Manupuna. And the baby Manupuna said, "Happy Mother's Day." Our three words again is manupuna, pununga, fuaimoa. Ofatu, Olivia.